Back with the second day of using this new, I don't really know what to call it. I guess it's a fireball furnace Yeti arm. Yeah, that's what we'll call it. We're actually gonna use this Klein Castle cake real quick because them things are awesome. But yeah, I didn't really warm up. I kind of hate warming up, if I'm being honest. I kind of hate going to friendly challenge clans and like, I don't know. It's not a waste, obviously. Like, I really should, because I'm not very good. But, man, it's hard to actually do. I'd rather just fucking get my Legends attacks done and call it a night. I do have fun doing Legends, but, I don't know. I don't really like doing a bunch of friendly challenges before I do Legends. I don't want to waste all my us in friendly challenges and then have none for the actual Legends. So, let's go ahead and get into the first attack. Do we have all the stuff? I think we got everything that we need. We have the troop launcher. I always forget the troop launcher. Interesting. Where's the C? Oh, the CC's on the outside. Interesting. I guess we're just gonna try to fireball that scatter shot. Because if we fireball that scatter shot, we should get the revenge tower as well, which would be nice. One, two, three, four. Oh my god. Hella CC. 1, 2, 3. I guess I'll just go ahead and go 1, 2, 3, 4. Does that get the revenge tower? Yes. Let's go. We still have some time on this raid, so let me let him get that expo. Draw him over here, and let's go ahead and get something down right here. Use one furnace up here. Oh, I did not want him to really go inside. Dude, the king, how did he get in there? Wait, what? No, but seriously, how did he get into that welcome section, though? Oh my god. Oh, dude, now we're fucked. Dude, that went south so fucking fast. Like, that's crazy. That went bad so fast. I don't know what we could have done. Like, I really don't know. That was a terrible attack. The king, he was inside the fucking wall, and I don't even know how he got inside there. Dude, that's ridiculous. It makes no sense. Now the warden's gonna follow him and get even less value because he's gonna, yeah. It is retarded. Dude, that's so fucking gay. That's so gay, dude. I don't understand how that... Oh my god. Are we even gonna get 80%? I guess we shouldn't place him up top. Fuck. Alright, let's get into another attack. That last attack, I'm just gonna forget about that one. We fucked that one up pretty bad. God damn it. The reason I don't like these ones is because it's so easy to time fail. You have no idea how easy it is. It's so fucking easy to time fail. It's crazy. So, I think... There's a ton of flame flinger value over here, but I don't know if we can actually... You know what? Let's try to get it. Let's try to get the flame flinger value. We'll try it, and we'll send the warden over here, I guess. I don't fucking know. We should have started him by the monolith for sure. And we're gonna have to watch his flinger, because that ground expo will fry it, but we're gonna have to waste 2 totems on that. And I might have to use one right there. Okay, this is bad. It's taking way too much time. This flame flinger is gonna get no value. Fuck me. God damn it. 1, 2, 3. Please. Nice. Can recall him out over here. Okay, nice. Please don't die. Damn it, dude. God damn it, this attack is hard to do. I don't even... Oh my god. Dude, that's so fucking gay. Yeah. It's so stupid. I don't know. The flame flinger needed to get more value for that to actually work. This is not... Dude, this attack is a lot harder in Legends than I thought. Like, this is really fucking hard. This is honestly just a time fail. Like, it's a terrible time fail, but if there was infinite time, this would 3-star. There's nothing left that would kill the warden with all of his healers. So that is very frustrating. I just made some changes I want to try. I want to try the Spirit Fox on the King and the Phoenix on the RC to maybe get more value. I'm not sure if that's gonna work out, but that last attack we just needed the flinger to get more value. Oh my fucking god, not this base. I literally have this base, or one very similar to it. Fuck. I don't know how I'm gonna 3-star this. How do I do it? How the fuck do you do this? I have no idea. Fuck. I guess. Oh my god, I have no idea. And the spitters are pointed at a terrible angle for this warden. Oh my god, this is not gonna be a 3-star either. Legends is so fucking hard. You guys have no idea. Unless you play Legends. So, I guess we're gonna try to fireball, I guess, one of the builder huts. I don't fucking know. One, 2, 3, 4. Let's try to get him a little bit of value right here before we recall. And then I guess just I don't know. 1, 2, 3. Knew there'd be a Tesla. Should I get something down right there? Oh my god, I forgot the log launcher. Fuck. This is so bad. Gonna need this. Oh my god, is it gonna be a time fail? Are you fucking kidding me? Dude, it's gonna be another time fail. Fuck! Dude, this game is so fucking irritating. God damn it, dude. I wish... Clash of Clans, they don't understand that, like, skillful attacks take time to fucking set up. And, like, I can't do it in fucking 3 minutes. There's too many goddamn buildings. Like that. This one is a time fail. Not as bad as the last one. But the last one was also a time fail. Dude, I wish they would just give, like Clash of Clans, they should seriously give infinite time. You should get an infinite time span, because if you can do an attack, and that if you can create a plan in the new Legends at Town Hall 18 that's good enough to 3-star, you should have as much time as you want. That's how it should be. That is just, it would just make the game so much funner. Still give the 30 seconds to plan. Well, I guess that would just fucking kill the point of having 30 seconds to plan if you had infinite time. But still, even if they don't give infinite time, they should give you another minute. Honestly, because this is I can't do this any faster, dude. I can't. There's no way. Okay. I think it's stupid. I'm not gonna 3-star a single time today, all because of time. It's not because my plan's not good enough. It's not because I'm attacking like a moron. It's simply because there's not enough time. That is the only fucking reason. And, it's just so aggravating. I don't know if you guys understand. Probably not. I see that. I see this little cocksucker with this fucking air sweeper right there. I'm not fucking stupid. I've been caught by that trick many times before. Ain't gonna get me this time. Hell no. No bastard's not gonna get me with that shit. Fuck no. Just to be safe. Just to be safe. One, 2, 3, 4. I hate this fucking game, dudes. That is probably the biggest robbery I've ever seen in my life. We're gonna 1-star now because of that. We're gonna 1-star now, all because that fucking thing should have went invisible and it did not. Dude, you can't tell me you can't tell me that shouldn't have not went invisible. That should have went invisible all fucking day. All fucking day, that should have went invisible, and it didn't. And it fucking didn't. You've got to be fucking kidding me. I cannot fucking believe that. Oh my god, we got the town hall. Thank fucking god. Thank god we got that town hall, dude. I would have lost my shit. Thank God. What got the town hall, though, is my question. Is this gonna 3-star? Are you... What? Oh, hell nah. Oh, hell nah. I cannot believe that 3-star. Get fucked. Get fucked. Oh my god. We just bent that dude's base over a table and fucking rammed him. Oh my god. No lubricant at all. Completely dry. Oh my god, I cannot believe that. We just swagged the fireball, dude. We literally just swagged the fireball in that dude's base. That made my day. Alright, let's see what got this town hall. Oh my god, was it the Yeti mite? Holy shit. No, that's not what got it. Oh, it was the queen. Oh, she actually turned around and wasn't autistic. That's sick. Okay, let's get into another attack. Maybe I lied when I said I wasn't gonna 3-star a single time today. It'd be nice if I could just 3-star maybe just one more time. That would be sick. What the fuck? Dude, what is this? Oh my god, I don't know how to get the town hall in this. We're gonna 1-star. Oh my god, dude. I have one idea, and that is to use a flame flinger. Oh my god, dude. We're actually gonna 1-star though. No, what? Oh my god, we're so fucked. We are so fucked. Oh my god, how are we gonna get the town hall? Oh my god, I forgot to place it. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, what do we do? What do we do? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. This is gonna be a 1-star. What the fuck do we do? What do we do, bro? Oh my god. Oh my fucking god, I hate this fucking game. I don't know what to do. There's nothing we can do, we're just fucked. Oh my god, I cannot believe this right now. What the fuck do we do? I literally don't know what to do. We're so screwed, we're so screwed. We have to salvage a 2-star somehow, and I have an idea. Oh. Okay. Nice. Go to the inside, sir. Come on. Come on. Give it to me. Give me the town hall. Give me the town hall. Yes! Let's go! Yes! At least we got 70. Oh my god! How did we save that? Oh my god, that was a terrible... Oh my god, I don't know how we saved that. I don't know how we salvaged a fucking 2-star. Oh my god, dude. How... Hold up. I don't know how... I placed the totem before it locked on, though. How did it lock onto the... How did it lock onto the fucking flinger? I placed the totem. There's the totem. Oh my god, I was a second late, motherfucker. Oh my god, that's so embarrassing. I look like an idiot. My cat doesn't like it when I rage at class. He was sitting beside me, now he's not anymore. It's kinda sad. We gotta 3-star this one, dude. Come on. We have to 3-star. We have to, bro. Okay, we can do this. We can do this. We time failed and got a 99 yesterday on this base. We can fucking do it. All we gotta do is we just gotta do it faster. That's all we gotta do. We're using a log launcher. All we have to do is just do this one fast. That's all we gotta do when we 3-star. We 3-star if we just do it quickly. That's all we have to do. I'm gonna use 3 furnaces right here just because I want this to go quicker. Because we need to shoot this fireball in a timely fashion. I'm gonna use a rage to get him through here. Try to map out this invis. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. Okay, let's just recall. Let's just recall over here. Okay. Now we can wall break here. Nice, guys. Let's go. I just gotta keep an eye on this warden. Please, no, 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 no. Oh my god, this is gonna time fail as well. Wait, the king? No, but he doesn't have the fucking Phoenix ability, fuck. Oh my god, I can't look, I'm closing my eyes right now. Well, I'll peek through like in the movies. Oh my god, it might 3-star. Come on. Come on, RC. Come on. Come on, queen, get through the wall. No, it's gonna fucking time fail, god damn it. I hate Supercell the Passion, they're a bunch of fucking Jews. Oh my god, it's still gonna 3-star. I still stand by what I said though. Okay, let's get into another one, but nice guys. Copying Jinxie when I say that. If you've never heard Jinxie say it, it's pretty fucking funny. Let's get into another one. Oh my god. I'm gonna time fail again. Not on this base, bro. Oh my god. Well, I guess we'll just time fail on it. Should I rage him? Is he gonna like perish or something? No, it'll be fine. Maybe I should rage him. Yeah. We're just gonna rage him so we don't fucking time fail. I'm retarded. What? Let's rage him so we don't time fail. Theoretically. What pisses me off the most is I have this base, and I even said to myself in friendly challenges, I was like, let's pray I don't see this base. And guess what we saw? We didn't need that. Wasted it. Fuck. Literally just wasted it. Soiled it. get that expo, that'd be sick. You know what? Let's start him up here. Not even gonna worry about the headhunters. For right now, anyway. Oh, I shouldn't have wasted them. Fuck! I used my own, I wasted them. Shit. Well, that's bad. It's gonna be another time fail. Fuck. That sucks. It sucks really bad, man. I swear it's that base is impossible. I'm gonna go attack it a bunch of times in friendly challenges, but I swear it's just impossible. I'm deeming it impossible anyway. Cause I don't know how to 3-star it. See, like, what are you... I don't know what you're supposed to do on that base, honestly. Cause that base is a menace. It's with that shit like it's Dennis. That's crazy. Alright, let's get into the last Legends attack for the day. I don't know how to 3-star that base. I'm pretty sure I need a troop launcher. I didn't try it because I didn't even have one, so I was like, fuck yeah, I don't even care. Let's just pray we don't see it. Okay. I don't like this base, if I'm being completely honest with you. How the fuck do we get the town hall? That's the real question. Oh my god, I don't know what to do. We're fucked. One, two. I guess that'll be good enough. Never mind. Motherfucker. Is not good enough. God damn it, dude. Mother... Ugh. Fuck. That pisses me off. So fucking bad. God damn it. Now we're fucked. I knew I should have just used the extra invis, motherfucker. Oh my god, what do we do? We're gonna have to send him in from the bottom just so he gets to town hall. We're just gonna have to do that just to make sure. We're gonna have to. We don't got any other choice. Still got the CC to deal with. Fuck, and I wasted the totem because I'm nervous. God damn it. This could not be going any worse. I don't know what to do, bro. How do we get like 90 out of this? I have no idea. Oh my god. And he killed all the healers. Fuck me. Dude, we might just be cooked. Hey, at least we got the town hall, right? That's what matters at the end of the day. We got the fucking town hall. Thank God. Thank God we got the town hall. I would have been pissed. If we didn't have time fail, this would low-key be a 3-star if it weren't for time. This would honestly be a 3-star if it wasn't for time. Dude, that's like... Would that 3-star? Dude, that would 3-star, right? We still have the healers, yeah, dude. That's just a tragic time fail, even after we fucked up the fireball super bad. That's literally a time fail. Fuck! We time failed 3 times today. God damn it, dude. That fucking pisses me. 246 again, and it's all because of time fails. It's literally time. This army is literally just a time fail monster. We time failed. Well, let me do some math. Hold up. I just did the math, and we had a time fail that was 83. So it was 13 trophies plus 10 plus 11. So we were fucking Jewed out of 34 trophies. So if we do 246 plus 34, we should have had a 280 day if there was more time, which is so homosexual. Like, I swear, everybody at Supercell's a homosexual. Because, like, dude, I swear they don't even play their game. Because if they played Legends themselves, they would realize this is so fucking stupid. Like, I am plus 246 when I could have been plus 280, all because of time. And it's like, how do you do an attack faster than the fastest way you can do it? All the attacks I did, I wasted pretty much no time doing anything. But they're just time fails, dude, because I literally just can't fucking do them faster than the fastest you can do them. Like, that's so fucking stupid. But either way, we were still plus 30 because of our god tier defense and because I'm low as fuck in Legends. But yeah, I guess I'll see you guys tomorrow, and I don't know what I'm gonna do about time. We should have had fucking, oh my god, we 3-starred twice and it should have been 5. We should have had 5 3-stars today if we had more time. That is so stupid. I will see you guys tomorrow.